What's up everybody, I'm Tristan.
And I'm Emma.
And in this video we're going to show you how to get from the European side of Istanbul to the Asian side and give you a quick little tour of what it looks like on that side of the city. So Istanbul is the only city in the world that spans two continents. It's split by the Bosphorus Strait and you can get there a few ways. You can take a car through the Avrasya Tunnel or the Eurasia Tunnel, which goes underneath the Bosphorus Strait. And depending on where you're staying in the city, this is going to be on the south side of the Golden Horn. You can also take the Bosphorus Bridge, which is better if you are staying on the northern side of the Golden Horn. And for us, we're deciding to take a ferry across the Bosphorus Strait because we think it'll be the most scenic route. And there's dozens of ferries that go back and forth from the European side to the Asian side and vice versa.
So the ferry can be used with Istanbul cart, which is the main form of transportation here. You basically buy a card for 7 Turkish lira, which is just over $1 US. If you're a tourist, you can return the card at the end of your stay and get that 7 lira deposit back. So basically each one-way route on any tram, metro, or ferry is about 2 lira 60. That comes out to just about 50 US cents. So it's definitely a cheap option and, like Tristan said, the most scenic way to get there. Alright, one cool thing about Istanbul cart is you can use one card for multiple people, so you can pass it back as long as there is money on the card, which saves us from buying 2 separate cards. And you can top up here at any of these stations outside of a ferry or metro stop by simply placing your card on the reader and inserting Turkish lira onto your account.
So we are now in Asia.
Woohoo! The ride was about 20 minutes. It was super easy, a lot of great views. There's about 3 stories, so you can choose which one you want to be on the ferry.
And now that we're in a new continent, some people might be wondering if you need a passport to go from the European side to the Asian side, and the answer is no. You do not need a passport. What do you think of Kudikoy so far?
It is, I almost feel like I'm in a different city. It's a lot of young people. I think there's a university nearby, a lot of really cool coffee shops. Seems a little bit less religious. There's more bars, places to go out, tattoo places. Yeah, it's really cool.
Although the European side is more popular due to the well-known mosques, bazaars, and other sites, we definitely recommend checking out the Asia side. So if you're spending 5 days or more in the city, or find yourself with some extra time, hop on a ferry and cross the Bosphorus Strait and check out a brand new continent while staying in the same city.
about to go back to the European side. It's pretty simple, just the same way you got here. Go to the same ferry stop, make sure you have your Istanbul card, and the ferries run approximately every 20 minutes until about 11:10 p.m.
I'd rather just wait. Only 10 minutes.
So there's like 14 left on here.
And there you have it, folks. That is how you get from the European side to the Asian side of Istanbul and back. It's definitely worth it. It's super simple and very inexpensive.
If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel below, and make sure to stay safe during your travels.